Ahorita le vamos a enseñar a la Mara how to do vacuum. Gotta connect in here. To connect in here too. Conecta la issue.
¿Ese lado?
Sí.
¿Cuánto cobrarán esto, no? ¿Cobrarán igual?
Sí. Zero in here. I gotta check the microns in here. So this is how we set up our houses. And we gotta use this kind of bulbs here. Here, this is the right way to do a vacuum. So this is it's good for equipment, and so we take these things out of there. See, because if you don't take it out, what had happened with us, it is so you're not gonna be able to get out of the line any dust or whatever is in there. So that happened with me one day. We get a drywall that I don't know how that happened, and then it went to the piston or the TX, and we have a problem, and we find out after a day checking. It was we never take this out of the bulb, service bulb, and then vacuum was not able to take those things out of the lines. So now that's why we use this. This is the right way. So. Cualquier cosa. There you go. Going down. You gotta go to less than 500 microns. Yeah. It's fast. See, because we don't have a restriction here. That's why it's fast. See, it's 200. So there. Close in here. See, took off the vacuum. So this is one of the best vacuums, and I've been using different kind of vacuum, but this is one of the field pieces. For me, it's the best. See, these things too, micron stain, field piece. So. You gotta use all these things in order to do a good job, and your unit will last longer because all your line set is clean. See, it's really clean. So see, you got the 111 there, so it's more than what they call for 200 or 500. So this one has 111.6 going down. Unit is good, man. That's what we use in all the jobs we do. Good, man. See how clean we do the line sets. This is how we work. See how we just bend there. Try to use the best. Do that. do the best. Not just run the line set and bend it with your hands. So you gotta use the right tools, see? Just to do a 2-minute vacuum, see what we got to do, but we gotta do it right. So this is how we do a vacuum, see? We are 100% sure we had no leaks in there. This is how you can check too. It's no leak. If it was a leak, this one will go up. Numbers will go 1,000, 2,000 because it's leak. But we already know. We put a pressure in there, nitrogen in there. There's no leak. So whoever wants to know what's the right thing to do, this is the right thing to do. Vacuum. You gotta spend time and money and all this equipment to do it right. So we got this one right. So we're good here. Marce.
Sí, esa cosa le cambiamos todo eso.
Ciérrelo aquí. Llévelo. Ya estuvo.
Ya le pasaste.
Ya estuvo.
¿La llevamos ya?
Llévelo.
Las llaves te las dimos. Sí, te las llaves.
¿A las llaves?
Llévate cosas.
No, yo no sé.
No, yo no las tengo. Yo las de a usted que me faltan.
Están en la puerta. So now we gotta put these things back. See? Put it in here. We open. You go all the way in. See? Take it out. Take the bulb out. See? Do the other one too. See, it's still 112. So this is what a lot of people don't want to do it, especially. No. See, you gotta do it right. You gotta spend time in this. Take it out. This is how we do vacuum. So we'll double check in here. So now we open the bulbs. That's it. Now it's ready.
Terminó con los termostatos, los dos.
Porque quedó funcionando, ¿verdad que quedó conectado?
No, todavía no. Yeah. Okay, that will be, that's it. That's all we had to do in here. That's how we do vacuums. See how long we take just to do a vacuum and open the bulbs. People don't do it, but You gotta do the right thing. Always. Something is wrong here. Let me check.